Hi again, it's Chrissy. We have made this in our blog hub, and I'm sure some of you will ask, and again, it's not my idea, but I thought I'd share with you how to make this. It was what my candle was holding in. So you're going to start out, these pieces here were 6 by 6. We're going to do a slightly larger size today, and you can make them whatever size as long as your pieces of paper are square. And this one here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. And the bigger your paper, the more pieces you'll have to make. So let's get started. You'll start out with your square piece of paper. Here is an 8 by 8 piece of paper. This is going to be your tool. You're going to fold this piece of paper in half and score it. You're going to then open it back up. You're going to take this piece and fold it into the middle. And you're going to open it back up, and you're going to take this piece and fold it to that score line. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see where it's bending. You're going to fold it to that score line. You're going to leave that right like that. That is going to be your tool as to where you're going to measure a piece of paper out at. Now I'm going to take my 8 by 8 piece of paper, and I'm going to put it into this tool, and I know it's kind of hard to see on the white on white. You're going to make sure that it's all the way in. You're going to take this piece of paper and fold it to that line. And you're going to open it back up. You're now going to turn it and take that little piece, put it back into the tool, and fold it again. You are now done with the tool. You can set the tool aside. You'll have 2 lines in the center of your paper. You're now going to take the corners to the first line that's closest to it and fold it like so. You're going to take this side and fold it into that line like so. So you see there we have that rectangle piece there in the center. So you're going to lay it back down. It's easier for me to work this way. I'm going to take the bottom of it and fold it up to that line. So it should look like this. I'm going to take this bottom now and fold it up again to that line. Now you should look like this. You're going to unfold that bottom. You'll have 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take it up to that 3rd section, and it should look like this. I'm now going to flip it over. You have these 2 extra tabs on the side. You're going to fold this tab in, right over the edge. Same with this one here. You're going to fold it over the edge. So now you'll have this piece looking here. I'm going to have you fold this piece up. You're not going to see the score line, but you're going to feel that score line that's on the back. And you're going to fold it up like so. And then with this piece on top, you're going to push the bottom piece in. So you're going to have that band around the edge. This is one of your pieces for your wreath. And a lot of the times I like to just round it out some to make it easier to work with when I go to put it in the wreath. Now I've gone ahead and made several other pieces. So you're just going to start with one piece here. You'll notice that they both have little pockets on each side. You're going to take this piece and slide it into both those pockets. Same with this piece here. You'll slide it into those pockets, like so. You'll take your next piece and you'll continue to work through the puzzle. Your next piece. Remember, if you get lost, you can always stop the video, pause the video, or rewind the video. Also work with flexible paper. Don't work with very thin paper. Just make sure that it's not a very thick cardstock. Sorry. At that point it makes it very hard to fold. I think this here is 65 pounds. And then you're going to take this beginning piece, slide it into your end piece, slide that into the end piece. We're not in. And then you can make it a circle. And that's your finished piece. You can hang it up if you need to spread it out some for a larger candle before you pop out like I just did. You're able to pull it out a little further if you need a larger candle. Or you can hang it up. Thanks again for being a fan. We'll see you guys later.